Welcome to another edition of the Legal Matrix. I'm Judge Dawson, and this is a special edition that I call the Diddy Matrix. This is your space in order to find out what's going on in the Sean Diddy Combs legal case from a legal perspective. You're going to hear from me, a judge, and we're going to talk about the facts, not opinions, not rumors, but the facts and an analysis of what's going on in court. All right, with that being said, take a look at this clip.
How you feel about Diddy bail being denied for a third time?
That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. Puffy, Sean Combs being denied bail 3 times is unacceptable. How can he be denied bail 3 times, Art, and Vince McMahon ain't never been arrested yet for the same and worse? And Vince McMahon case is only 1 state away in Connecticut. So it's not like he's on the other side of the country. They 1 state away. Puffy gets denied bail 3 times. Vince McMahon ain't even been arrested. You know why they doing this? This is all about intimidation. This is all about humiliation. Humiliation and intimidation. They are sending a loud message to black celebrities. You are not above the law. You have no more power than any other black person. You will do what we say, and if you don't, we will destroy you. They're showing us by destroying our black billionaires how much power the black celebrity does not have. Racism, complete racism that Puff has not been released on bail. Complete racism. He has children. Nobody's thinking about his children. Sean Carter has children. Nobody's thinking about his children. And when I look on the internet and I just see all these black folks trying to destroy them, like I see black people convicting them before they even been.
Ladies and gentlemen, I agree 100%. I am a judge. I've been a judge for 13 years. I have set bonds in many types of cases, all types of cases, from traffic cases all the way up to murder cases. And let me tell you, we do consider various factors when setting a bond. The first thing to consider is whether or not the person will return to court. In this case, you have Diddy, who's trying his best to let the court know that, hey, I'll give you $50 million. I'll go to a specific residence. I won't leave. He's letting you know that he's going to return. The second thing that we're concerned about is whether or not the person is a threat to the community. Now, in this particular case, same thing. Diddy has said, look, you can monitor my phone. You can monitor who sees me, who comes to my house, where I go. All of these great things so that you know who I am contacting. Nevertheless, the judge has denied the bond 3 times. Ladies and gentlemen, I must admit, I find something fundamentally wrong with that. Like was said in the video, this man has children, he has family, he has a lot at stake, and even the situation of his jail cell being raided and his personal information being turned over to the DA. All of these factors together indicate that this man should have a bond. Now, I'm not talking about what he did. I'm not justifying any of the allegations. And right now, he's not guilty until proven guilty, right? But the issue of bond, simply considering the fact whether or not you should be out of jail while the court is considering your case, that's something that all Americans are entitled to. Let's look around the country. You see people getting bonds for almost everything. The only time I see bonds denied in this type of situation is when there's a murder charge, and he is not facing a murder charge. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is just another example of how this legal matrix can grab you, hold you, and do what it wants to you. So my best advice for everyone is to stay clear of the legal matrix. All right, it's Judge Dawson. I'll see you next time as we break down the Diddy case and many, many more. Take care.